I feel safer, I feel faster, and I know I can stop, and we just keep sending it further and further. Hey guys, I'm Jamal Assaad from Evolution Racing Spares, and this is our Evo 6 time attack car. So we've had this car for 3 years, and our aim was to focus on time attack racing, but obviously add in all the other types of racing that we love to do. Our big year was 2019 World Time Attack, and we came first. The car was pretty developed, not exactly where we wanted it to be, but since then we've added aero, ABS. The first time we tested it was actually a pouring rain day. It was a super sprint at Eastern Creek. I was very surprised we came first. We dipped into the 1 minute 50s on a wet day, which is a good time. We were pleased with that. The actual first official dry day was an open pit lane that we had last month, just to prep for World Time Attack 2022, and we're pleased to say that it's really working well. And what I found, and I took advice off some high-end, race car drivers, and they said if you're confident with your brakes, you're going to go faster, because ultimately if you know you can stop on time or it's very predictable, you're guaranteed to go faster, and it has. It's just helped us so much. I feel safer, I feel faster, and I know I can stop, and we just keep sending it further and further. The dial for the ABS, I'm still getting the hang of it, but on the dry day, which I've put it towards, we've put it towards the higher settings, and it's awesome. I can feel the pedal. I'm much more confident in the brakes. The braking points are much more further in. I can get on the gas early, trail brake a lot. Left foot braking is much more predictable, and yeah man, I'm loving it. It's awesome. Since we've put the ABS in, I've had a lot of guys ask me a lot of questions. Our good mates from 909 Motorsport, Ash, helped us out with the Bosch Motorsport ABS, and I'm more than happy to share all my experiences. I haven't regretted one bit about it. It's something that I recommend to almost all my mates and everyone that we deal with, our customers, racing guys at the track. So 2019 Club Sprint class, we didn't hit our goal with the time. We wanted to break the actual Club Sprint record. The record we're trying to beat was a 1:36.8. We were probably a second or second and a half off that, but we'll see how we go this year. I just want to thank everyone, the whole team, all the sponsors on the car. Yeah, we just want to get to time attack. That's the goal.
What about Jamal Assaad? That Team ERS Performance Lancer from the earlier session today, 33.776. It's daylight already that he came after one session.